Good morning, dear friends. Today, we will reflect on the profound teachings of Gautama Buddha, the enlightened one, who showed us a path toward peace and liberation. Buddha was born as Siddhartha Gautama in Lumbini, Nepal, around 2,500 years ago. He lived a life of luxury before he encountered the realities of suffering in the world. After seeing birth, aging, sickness, and death, Siddhartha decided to renounce his princely life and seek the truth about suffering. He meditated under a Bodhi tree and attained enlightenment. Buddha's central teaching is the Four Noble Truths. The truth of suffering, dukkha. Suffering is an inevitable part of life. The truth of the cause of suffering. Suffering arises from our desires, attachments, and ignorance. The truth of the cessation of suffering. We can end suffering by letting go of desires and attachments. The truth of the path leading to the end of suffering. This is the Noble Eightfold Path, a guide for ethical living and mental discipline. The Noble Eightfold Path includes right understanding, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, right concentration. Buddha taught us the importance of compassion, karuna, and loving kindness, metta, emphasizing that we should treat all beings with respect and care. He also shared the concept of impermanence, anicca, teaching us that all things are temporary, and understanding this helps us to let go of attachment and live more freely. Another core teaching is non-self, anatta, which means there is no permanent, unchanging self. Our identities are fluid and shaped by our thoughts, actions, and experiences. Buddha also spoke of mindfulness, sati, which encourages us to be present in the moment and aware of our thoughts, feelings, and actions, leading to a peaceful and focused mind. One of his famous teachings is, do not dwell in the past, do not dream of the future, concentrate the mind on the present moment. Buddha's teachings were meant to help us achieve nirvana, a state of liberation from suffering, where we experience true peace and enlightenment. Dear friends, these teachings are not just ideas to think about, but practices to be lived. Let us reflect on how we can incorporate these into our own lives and walk the path towards inner peace. May all beings be happy, may all beings be free from suffering.